NFT10, great bit of kit, one of our best sellers. Can you tell me a bit about it?
Yeah, I think with the NFT10 is popular because it's even more like a smartphone design compared to modern Android mobile computers. This then becomes familiar from a decision-making point of view when it comes to choosing IT that's in their estate. Also as well, when you put something that looks very familiar to a mobile phone in the hand of a worker, we found that the actual care which is taken of this device, the pride which is taken by the worker, means that the return rate drops. If, of course, return rate is something that's a concern to you, then one of the other benefits of the NFT10 and other mobile computers from Newland is we give away a free MDM solution called Endeavour, which essentially says, where's my device, what's it doing, how can I update it, how can I fix it, how can I make sure that the workflow is done, and if something goes wrong with it or it goes